Come and me teach you patois now. Hello everyone and welcome to Shan's Patois Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan and I'm from Jamaica. I'm sure you've heard many reasons why you don't need to learn another language, and you may even have a few reasons yourself. But learning a new language has so many benefits, and today, with so many free resources, such as Shan's Patois Academy on YouTube, you can easily learn a new language with a little determination and consistency. The world has become so interconnected and interdependent that any second language you choose to learn will be beneficial. Today, I will tell you why Jamaican Patois is a great choice. In this lesson, we will discuss 26 reasons why you should learn Jamaican Patois. So without further ado, let's begin. Reason number 1. Learning Jamaican Patois opens up a world of opportunities. Jamaican Patois is becoming quite popular, so the demand for teachers is getting higher. How do I know this? Well, I teach Patois to students online from many different countries, including America, Canada, Germany, and Japan. The opportunities are not just limited to teaching, however. You can also become an interpreter or translator. I have seen job applications for Jamaican translators being advertised in countries, for example, the United States and Canada, especially in the immigration and legal fields. Reason number 2. Studying Jamaican Patois will make you smarter. Studies show that bilinguals, which are people who speak 2 languages, and multilinguals, people who speak more than 2 languages, tend to have bigger brains, better memories, are more creative, and are better problem solvers. If that isn't enough, learning another language also helps to stave off mental aging and cognitive decline. It is believed to delay the onset of dementia and Alzheimer's disease by several years. Reason number 3. Studying Jamaican Patois will help you to better understand your own language and culture. This is one of the most unexpected benefits of learning a foreign language. You will become much more conscious of not only cultural customs, but of the grammar, vocabulary, and pronunciation patterns of your first language. Reason number 4. You will develop better communication skills. When learning a second language, you usually focus on 4 main areas. These are speaking, writing, reading, and listening. These are all important for communication. With constant practice of these communication skills in a foreign language, you will simultaneously become better at communicating in your native language. Reason number 5. You will grow to appreciate linguistics. Now, linguistics is the scientific study of a language. Learning a language allows you to appreciate the dynamics of that language. This holds true for both the language you are learning and the language you already know. Reason number 6. It builds your confidence. Once you've managed to speak in a foreign language, you'll notice a sharp increase in your confidence. Reason number 7. It will make you more open-minded. Learning Jamaican Patois and getting soaked into an entirely new culture and worldview is the surest way to become an open-minded, understanding, and tolerant individual. And that is absolutely priceless. Seeing the world from a different perspective and understanding where you and others come from is a fantastic, eye-opening experience. When you learn about different cultures associated with a specific language and interact with people who come from a different part of the world, you'll start to develop a more open-minded and tolerant mind. Reason number 8. It will help you to become more culturally aware. Learning a language involves a lot more than memorizing grammar. Languages are deeply influenced by culture and vice versa. By learning Jamaican Patois, you will become more culturally aware of Jamaica, moving from the sun, sand, and sea, and getting a deeper understanding of the people. Reason number 9, to immerse yourself in Jamaica. If you know Jamaican Patois, you are no longer restricted to experiencing the country as just a tourist. Knowing the language can enhance your experience in ways you've never imagined. Reason number 10, you want to visit or move to Jamaica. Thinking of visiting or relocating to Jamaica? Knowing the language will definitely help you to make the trip or transition a lot smoother. Reason number 11, travel becomes easier and cheaper. Need to ask for directions? Do you want to know where the local markets are? Are you interested in speaking with the Jamaicans? Public transportation in Jamaica is fairly affordable. If you speak the local language, chances are you will have a better chance of getting around versus relying on private rentals or other more expensive alternatives. Reason number 12, for love. Well, if you are in a relationship with a Jamaican partner, this might be a great gesture to show your love. Also, if you don't have a Jamaican partner, you might just meet the love of your life at a local party in Jamaica. You never know. Reason number 13, it's sexy. Learning a foreign language will make you more attractive, interesting, and it gives you an air of intelligence. Reason number 14, for meaningful friendships. One of the most rewarding aspects of being human is your ability to communicate with others. You can befriend people who you learn the language with, and then subsequently with native speakers of that language. Speaking a foreign language not only opens up a massive pool of potential friends, but it also acts as an instant common denominator when you meet native speakers. Plus, speaking in a foreign tongue can be like speaking in a secret code with your new best friends. Language helps to express our feelings, desires, and connect with other humans around us and form meaningful relationships. And as they say, speak to a man in your language and it goes to his head, but speak to a man in his language and it goes to his heart. Reason number 15, Jamaican music. Reggae, ska, rocksteady, dancehall, dub, rap. Can you imagine how much more you would enjoy Jamaican music if you knew what they were actually saying? Reason number 16, Jamaican jokes. What can I say? Jamaicans are a fun-loving people and will literally make a joke about any and every situation. Yes, we could translate the many jokes we have to English or other languages, but everybody knows it's way more hilarious in Jamaican Patois. Reason number 17, written literature. You can read plays, poems, novels, and other famous pieces of literature in Jamaican Patois. This allows you to get a proper idea of what the author is trying to convey, since many times the precise meaning gets lost in translation. Reason number 18, to impress your Jamaican friends. Learn a few Patois phrases and surprise your Jamaican friends the next time you meet. They will most likely appreciate it. Reason number 19, to connect with your roots. If you are of Jamaican descent, but you live overseas, especially in areas where there are not a lot of Jamaicans, this is a great way to learn the language of your ancestors. Reason number 20, to stay current. If you are no longer living in Jamaica, try to stay current with the language, especially slangs. These change rapidly, so try to stay up to date. No one really uses bashment or buyaka anymore. So stay woke, unless you want to think say you're back at time. Reason number 21, to convince yourself that Patois is indeed a language. Unfortunately, there are still some people who consider Jamaican Patois to be broken English, or even worse than that, the language of the uneducated. But I believe if you delve into the study of the language, you will be convinced otherwise. Reason number 22, for extra gravy. Okay, so I'm reaching here. But maybe, just maybe, if you walk in your local Jamaican restaurant with a Jamaican accent, you will get the extra gravy. You know what they say? Nothing tried, nothing done. Reason number 23, because it's cool. Have you ever been in the presence of two Jamaicans speaking Jamaican Patois? Were you a little left out? Were you a little jealous? Jamaicans are cool, trendsetters, confident, and fun-loving. There are hardly ever any dull moments around us. Unfortunately, because you don't speak the language, you just stand there laughing at the jokes that you don't really understand. Reason number 24, because you can. I mean, like, really, what's stopping you? Reason number 25, because you want to. I don't know about you, but I really like doing things that I actually want to do. Reason number 26, because you are curious. Now, curiosity didn't kill the cat. In Jamaica, it was the high seas that killed Miss Mary Puss. Those were 26 reasons to study Jamaican Patois. Now, here's your assignment. Why are you studying Jamaican Patois? How will learning Jamaican Patois or learning about Jamaican Patois enhance your life? Please leave your answers in the comment section below. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself. Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. I try to upload every other day and sometimes even every day. So please hit that notification bell because that would be very helpful. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary.